today. We are going to do a crazy, bright-eyed, wild look. Let's go get naughty. This is the MAC paint pot in soft ochre. I love how I always hold things upside down and it's just like, okay. That's another thing. If I had the camera, I could just like look in the back and I wouldn't always have to like make the thing focus. I could just be like, hey, and then it would do it, but whatever. Okay, I guess I'll do one eye on camera, but then the other will be off camera. Okay, so I'll do it on one eye and then I'll go off camera with the other eye. The Coty Airspun loose powder, and this is just like a translucent type of powder that you can set and bake and all that. And it does have like a good smell, but then it's also a weird smell and it can choke you if you inhale it. That was my first thing, is I accidentally opened it one day when I first got it, and I about died on the powder, the amount of powder that actually comes out of it. So don't do that. The two palettes I will go back and forth with the whole entire time is the James Charles palette. As we all know, it has the most colors and pigment, and then the BH Cosmetics Aurora lights with all these beautiful shiny colors. I was desperately trying to look for a transition color that was not all that that would be the best to blend with, but I don't know. Trial and error, right? Errol, I can't talk, I always can't, but we'll take this bright blue color. Ooh. And then first lay that one down. Okay, this is going twice over it, so it's not like a crazy oh my god, sorry, let me put my mic back on my shirt because you probably did not hear anything I just said. Jesus. This is only going twice over it. That means getting on the brush, tapping, blending a million times, and then picking more color up, and then tapping again, and then going like blending a million times. I'm like doing this. Well, I'm like not telling you what I'm doing. Okay. A lot of times I'll just do this with the little swirly windshield wiper motion, and then just keep blending a bajillion. Okay, so now it is time to get a smaller defined brush. This will be the Morphe 506. I like a lot of Morphe things because not only are they affordable, but they actually like do really good too, because like you can get affordable things but not have them work. So we're going to pick up the blue color. Again, I don't know, I'll have to list the colors down below. Okay, knock it, and then I'm gonna do the left eye, and then I'll do the right eye off camera. Okay, I'm going to hold the mirror like sideways like this, so that way y'all can see without the light getting in the way. Or not. I'm bad at this. Okay. I'm just trying to keep that towards the outer part. I'm gonna try to scoot y'all closer so you can see, but we're also going to take that same color, but we're gonna go on the inner corner, and if you can pull your lid as far down as you possibly can with seeing out of the one eye, even though it's going to look the craziest, but if you can do that, you can cause less secretion with the, it's not like I said secretion, okay, I don't even know, oh my god, I'm horrible at this. Okay, so the next color we will pick up is okay, actually we're not going to pick up a color at the second, we're going to cut the crease finally, and we're going to use Tarte Shape Tape because that's just what I use. I'm going to use a Wet n Wild brush, which, little known fact, Wet n Wild was the first makeup I've ever used and got me into makeup. Out of the BH Cosmetics kit, and we're just going to put this on the sides of everything. Glitter always makes everything better, right? A lot of these I'm about to show you I got on clearance. This was Maybelline New York Dream Cushion in the shade Ivory 15. It was something I had been wanting to try anyways because I had heard Tarte talk about it, so it was pretty cool. It comes with this little foam pad, and then this is where you pull back the stuff, and that's the color of it. Woo! Oh my god, I thought I touched some stuff down here with it. But here, I will try to show you. Okay, so it kind of just like blends in with my skin, and kind of like you can see that part shiny and then that part's not as shiny. Only like a little bit, but not as shiny. I don't know. Anyways, so I will make my face up. I don't know. I will moisturize my face first with the Skin Garnier Moisture Balm, and then finish the rest of the face off. Okay, here's the difference with that side compared to this side, and how much red and pigmentation I have because of being redheaded and having weird skin. But yeah, that's just the, I guess, consideration of power of makeup. By the way, you only need to dip once because it pretty much goes all over the place with one dip with your beauty blender, so you don't need a whole bunch of product. That was just like the little bit of tip right here that was filled, that completely covered, and I pretty much, I think I could have went and covered the other side too, like one dupe with like the whole swoop. Is another thing that was on sale for $2 is a Maybelline Stay Porcelain powdered, what am I trying to say, it's like a pressed powder type of thing, but ooh, not trying to blind you with the mirror, but okay, so I'm trying to show you the color a little bit. Okay, so I like to just put the powder everywhere because I'm more of a matte type of person, because my skin usually tends to get, which is the weirdest thing, okay, right here I tend to like get very dry skin, but the rest of my face I oil up very bad, so I like to have more of a matte type of finish because of me oiling up completely bad. So I don't even know why I break out, like, right, it's not break out, but it's like dry skin there all the time, but using that moisture balm stuff really does help a lot. We're going for weird colored stuff because this is a blue highlighter. Is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat, which it actually came with the lipstick too. This is something that I won in a giveaway. The color for this one is Walk of Shame. Oh god, is it gonna, there we go, Walk of Shame. And then the shade for this lipstick is Legendary Queen, and I did not put the lipstick on. I will eventually. I did pat it just a little bit in the corner, in the middle, but you can't really tell. But the Essence, my only one lipstick palette, this is what the front looks like, and then this is the color that I took, and I just used my finger, which actually the little finger, but, and then just patted that. But so the lip liner was the red one on the outer, and then the pinkish color in the middle, and then the Wet n Wild highlighter that you can see on the lips. We are going to take Colourpop Coconut Colourpop eyeshadow in the single one, and it's called Coconut. Oop, I don't know why I just focused on myself when I was like literally trying to show you. Okay, so you can kind of get, oh, there we go. She's shining. Okay, but so we're just going to pick that up on the 506 brush, make sure everything else is tapped off, and we're going to do it on the outer corner. Sorry, but I do have to show you that those are two different colors. Even though it looks like it's blending in, it is two different colors. So I just barely wanted to show you that there is a difference even though they look the same. But yeah, okay, bye. So we're going to take the other Colourpop shadow, and this one is, I'm so scared that's gonna fall out of the pan. Okay, so we'll just put the cap back on for a minute when we look at the thing. It is called Don't Leave, and these are just their Super Shock shadows in ultra metallics. Oh, this one was a satin, this one's ultra metallic, okay. But this one, I'm scared that's gonna fall out of the pan because see the spacing, and I think earlier it moved a little bit, so I'm scared. But anyways, this is the pink one. So yeah, that's the pink color mixed in with the blue color, so it kind of creates like a purplish color. And yes, I know it looks really weird right now. I promise we'll pull together afterwards. But MegaGlo out of the palette, or actually, hold on, I should figure out in 1 minute if I can get the light to hit it. I'm gonna go back and forth with these two colors. So one is called MegaGlo and one is called Fluorescent. So MegaGlo and Fluorescent, and I'm gonna go back and forth with those two colors to create the very last tip right there. So yeah, every single time I want to be able to complete the look without having to weird you out by all the craziness, then I'm like, there's something new that I have to show you. Okay, so the other thing is the Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner. I don't know why every time I try to talk I can't talk. Anyways, it is also waterproof, which I just now found that out. So I was like looking at the back and I was like, wait, it's also waterproof. And it says flake proof and non-smudging, so I ensure that you probably want to work completely fast with it. But okay, deepest black is the shade that it is in also. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure there might be others, but look, okay, compared to the Better Than Sex mascara, okay, look how tiny, wow. I don't know why I thought this would be any bigger than, like, I don't know, because you don't use something that big to do your liquid eyeliner, so I don't know why I thought it was going to be any bigger. But yeah, it's just the fact that, like, but it still feels sturdy though, because like this, if you chunk at someone's head, they're gonna get like freaking poke an eyeball out or something. And then if you were wondering what I'm wearing on my brows, even though my brows are not all that great today, it is the Anastasia, however you say it, Beverly Hills brow pomade in the shade Aubrun. I think that's upside, yes. And it's just the dip palm. So that is the fine, very pointed tip, which is so cool. Okay. Ooh, she claps. Is the speaker on? Okay. I might have this funny face on me. It's okay, because she actually glides so easily. Well, let me finish all this before it gets like really out of hand, because I can go a long way for a long time with liquid eyeliner and mess it up completely. So, but wow, just that little bit, like if you just wanted to leave that as the wing, you probably could, but yeah, I'm gonna try to fix everything. But wow, oh my god. Pulled through and everything looks good. The only thing I don't completely like is the lip color. That's just because I want a red, but I'm not really sure I want to go with that bold. But other than that, it actually came out really pretty, and not as pretty as I thought it was going to turn out to be, but I'm happy with it. So, and I guess that's all that matters at the end of your makeup process, is if you are happy with your own look. So okay, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your favorite product that I showed you that was on clearance that I got. Mine my favorite product in general in this video definitely was the liquid eyeliner, and probably one of my favorite products sitting on the table right this second. But my favorite product that was on clearance was the highlighter. That's just because that's like a purplish blue color, but it actually looks really pretty, and you could just do this all day to your lips and it makes it really, really pretty. And then you can just keep on highlighting with this, and it's so pretty. But oh my god, I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful week, not weekend. Today is Sunday for me, but actually technically no, it's Monday now. Oh god, no, my weekend's over. Okay, but either way, I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells. I promise I'm trying to get better and trying to be more consistent. A lot of things come up all the time, but I am trying. That's all that matters. I'm trying. Oh. But thank y'all for always being here. Thank you extremely tons, and I will see you next time. Hope you stay on.
Good.